The next new technology I'm using is a web-based free website called DOGOnews. It is a website that allows you to look at a ton of news articles that have videos in them and also have questions at the bottom that you can have your students finish and kind of interact with the article. I like ISTE standard 2A and 2B for this website. It is also a website that can be used by students, teachers, even parents can use it to help their kids at home with understanding of certain issues or understanding of what they're learning in school. I chose this website because I think it's a very good resource for students to learn. Um, and my goal and purpose of this video for you is to show you how it's used and some of the things you can do with it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find an article. We are going to go to a sports article because I'm a PE teacher and I enjoy sports. So the article I like to show is our smart mouth can't talk today. Our smart mouth guards, the solution to sports related concussions. Concussions are a huge deal right now in the world of sports, and so it's been a good thing for kids to read about since kids really don't understand what a concussion is and how it affects you and what are the symptoms of it and anything. Probably a whole uh, class can be taught on just concussions alone because of the issues we're having with them in the world. So we're going to click on the article here. So after we've clicked on the article, it brings up the article itself. If you look through it, it's got some good information here. It's got graphs. It's got an article here. That, obviously, what I like is it has the words here in blue, and you can click on them, and it will bring up after it loads. It'll bring up how do you say the word. That's a noun, the origin, all kinds of great information on the word alone. So that's great for the kids to learn. It has the vocabulary words over here. Once again, another good chart relating it to football because football is one of the hitting sticking points for concussions right now. It's got the signs and symptoms. It shows the mouth guard they're talking about in the article. It's got all kinds of good information as you see. It's got a video also to show how it's worked. Then at the end of the article, it's got article comprehension where you have questions, even a critical thinking challenge. Okay, so what they can do here is you can have them do the questions, maybe through their computer or an iPad if they have one for the students. They can then email the questions and answers to you as a parent. I mean, to you as the teacher. The critical thinking. Some people believe that the dramatic rise of concussion rates is a result of greater awareness and not due to number more injuries. That's a great thinking one because a lot of people don't understand what a concussion is. So maybe the concussions have been there all along. We just weren't aware of them. So they can have these questions can be sent through email into the teacher. They also could write their questions and answers into notes so they can change, so they can be saved. All kinds of things that you could do as a teacher to do your own thing, sort of. So we click on here. It's got news, kid news. It's got current events, science, sports, did you knows, entertainment. We're going to go to a did you know real quick just to look at it. I guess we're already on the did you knows. So sports, social studies, mummified things. And as you see, we'll click on this one just to show you another article. Once again, it has the vocab words, words in blue, good articles with pictures, videos at the end to help you kind of understand with more questions. So if you look at this article and the whole website, it is a very valuable tool for kids to kind of be more interactive towards learning. Um, instead of the same old textbook type stuff. So as you see, you could use this. There's really no finished product for this because it's ongoing, as you can pick articles and articles. And the great thing about it is it never ends. There's always going to be more articles and more things. There's a teacher section. You can also get online free lesson planning websites, creating lists for vocab, words, and books. Okay, the kids section. You can create their own avatar. They can earn points and badges through working and reading and doing things like that. So it can be expanded if you want as well. So it's a great website for you to use as a teacher, for a parent, as a kid, all around. It works for everybody. So I suggest trying this one.